Assalamu alaikum everyone. Have a blessed new year. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little special because January is not just a month, it's a fresh start, a new chapter. I'm so glad you are here. You know, this time of year always feels like a soft reset. The rush of December fades away, and suddenly we are standing at the doorstep of something new. A new month, a new year, a new chance to breathe, to create, and to dream again. And if you are watching this video right now, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for being curious. Thank you for choosing to spend few minutes with me. If you are new here, welcome. This is where we celebrate little things, the cozy crafts, the seasonal vibes, and story behind every design. And if you have been with me for a while, you already know this space is built on love, color, and connection. So before we dive into today's creative journey, I would like for you to do three tiny things that make a big difference. Like this video if you enjoy cozy handmade content. Drop a comment below, tell me how your January is going or what your new year goals are. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a moment of this channel. You know, January has this strange charm. It's cold outside, but somehow there's a little spark of hope inside. The new year begins, new plans, new goals, and for me, new crafts, of course. So I thought, why not make this January a little more colorful, a little more fun, and a little more cozy? There is something so satisfying about writing it down. It's not just a name on paper. January, it's a feeling, a beginning, a quiet promise to yourself. As I draw each letter, I am thinking about what this month means to me. It's cold outside, yes, but inside there is warmth, warm hands, warm hearts, warm hopes. I always take my time with this part, the writing, the coloring, because it sets the tone. The way the letters curve, the way the colors blend, it's like I'm painting my mood for the month. And today I'm going with cool blues and soft teals, wintry shades that feel peaceful and calm. They remind me of quiet mornings, warm socks, and the smell of chai in the air. You know that feeling when you're wrapped in a blanket and everything outside is still. That's what I want this word to feel like. As I fill in each stroke, I'm also filling my heart with little intentions to be kind, to be patient, to stay creative. Because January is not about rushing, it's about grounding yourself, taking a breath, making space for new ideas. And if you are watching this and thinking, I want this month to be different, then let this moment be your gentler. Write it down, color it in, make it yours. See these bare trees. Some people say they look sad, but I think they are full of hope. Because when the old leaves fall, it's nature's way of making space for something new. January reminds us it's okay to let go. It's okay to start again. Now just look at this coffee mug with that warm steam rising. It's like every sip melts the cold away. Honestly, a chilly January evening, a cozy blanket, and a cup of coffee, that's my idea of heaven. And that's what I want this video to feel like, warm, comforting, and full of joy. Now look at these mittens and woolly hats. They took me straight back to childhood. Every winter, my mom would buy me new gloves. And somehow, I'd always lose one. But the warmth they gave, oh, nothing like it. That's the feeling I have tried to capture in this design. A little nostalgia, a lot of love. Whenever I create something new, I ask myself, will this bring a smile to someone's face? If the answer is yes, then I know I have done my job. This January video is not just a design, it's a feeling, a burst of new energy, a quiet little prayer for joy. January always feels like a quiet breath after the noise of December. The world slows down, the air turns crisp, and everything from the trees to the rooftops seems to wear a soft white blanket. I love how the mornings begin in January, not with loud alarms, but with the gentle clink of a spoon in a warm cup of tea. You wrap your hands around the mug, feel the steam on the face, and for a moment everything feels still. Outside the trees stand bare but proud. Their branches stretch like arms holding up the sky. And if you look closely, you see tiny, slow flakes dancing in the air. Each one different, each one perfect. I remember as a child, I used to press my face against the window watching the snow fall. are like the snowflakes were tiny letters from the sky, each one carrying a secret. And then there were the gloves, always mismatched, always worn. My mother would pull them over my hands before I ran outside, my boots crunching in the snow, cheeks red from the cold. We built snowmen with cute smiles and button eyes. Sometimes we would give them names like Captain Frost, and even though they melted in a few days, they always felt like old friends. Evenings were the best. A cozy blanket, a good story, and a mug and a hot drink in hand. The world outside might be freezing, but inside it was all warmth and laughter. January is not just a month, it's a feeling, a fresh start. A quiet promise that even in the coldest days, there's beauty, there's peace, and there's always something to create. That's why I made this drawing to capture that feeling. The snowflakes, the stars, the coffee mugs, and the woolen hats. They are not just winter things, they are memories. So, whether you are sipping tea by the window or drawing your own January story, I hope this little piece of art brings you the same joy it brought me while making it. There is something magical about how quiet January feels. It's like the world is whispering, slow down, breathe. Even the stars seems brighter in January. Maybe it's the clear skies, and maybe it's just we finally have time to look up. I always feels like January is a blank page, not the kind that pressurizes you to write something perfect, but the kind that gently says, try again, dream again. That's why I love drawing in this month. The cold outside makes the colors feel warmer. And while I draw, I think about all the little things that make winter special. So if you are watching this and feeling a little cold, I hope this drawing brings you warmth because sometimes a simple picture can remind us of all the things we forgot to notice. And that's what HKPassion is all about, finding joy in the little things and sharing it with heart. January's special symbol, snowflakes. Are not they just beautiful? Each one is different, each one is special, just like us. No two people are the same, and that's the real beauty of it. At HKPassion, I always try to celebrate that uniqueness in every design, in every story. I have been thinking, how was last year for you? For me, it had its ups and downs. But one thing stayed constant, my family's love. And your comments, your messages on this channel. They have been my biggest motivation. That's why this year I'm bringing even more love, more creativity, and more heart to this channel, inshallah. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share your New Year resolution in the comments, and hit the subscribe button. And remember, everything you see here is handmade, heart-made, and HKPassion approved. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay warm, stay creative, and keep smiling.